Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with Chronicles. Do you find yourself waking up tired even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with getting a good night's rest, but it's crucial for our overall health and well-being. A consistent sleep schedule is like a secret weapon for better energy, focus, and even fitness. It's not just about the number of hours you sleep, but also about the quality of sleep you're getting. In this video, we're going to break down 7 simple, science-backed steps to help you fix your sleep routine and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Stick around because these tips are going to make a real difference in how you feel. First things first, we need to talk about consistency. Your body loves routine, it craves it. Think about it, your body is this incredibly complex machine, but it thrives on predictability. When you go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every single day, you're helping regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. This internal clock is what keeps your sleep patterns in check. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Even on weekends? And I'm telling you, yes, even on weekends. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consistency is key here, guys. Think about how you get ready for anything important in your life. You prepare, right? Well, sleep is just as, if not more important than that meeting or social event. About an hour before bed, you need to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down to start shifting into sleep mode. One of the worst things you can do is scroll through your phone in bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your melatonin production. That's the hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Instead of screen time, opt for relaxing activities. Read a book, take a warm bath, listen to calming music, or try some light stretching or meditation. Find what helps you unwind and make it a habit. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place specifically designed for sleep. When you walk into your bedroom, it should signal to your body that it's time to rest and recharge. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have trouble with noise, consider using earplugs, a white noise machine, or even a fan to drown out distracting sounds. And let's not forget about light. Invest in blackout curtains to block out any street lights or early morning sun. Even the tiniest bit of light can disrupt your sleep. We all know that caffeine is a stimulant. It keeps us alert and focused, which is great during the day, but not so much when you're trying to sleep. Try to avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bed. That means no coffee, tea, or soda late in the afternoon or evening. The same goes for large meals. Eating a heavy meal right before bed can put a strain on your digestive system, making it harder to fall asleep and potentially leading to discomfort throughout the night. If you're hungry before bed, opt for a light, protein-rich snack instead. There's a clear link between regular exercise and better sleep quality. Physical activity can deepen your sleep and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. But here's the thing, timing is key. While exercise is fantastic for sleep, avoid intense workouts right before bed. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural energy boosters. Give yourself at least a few hours between your workout and bedtime to allow your body to wind down. Remember how we talked about your circadian rhythm? Well, light plays a huge role in regulating it. Exposing yourself to sunlight in the morning helps to set your internal clock, promoting wakefulness during the day and better sleep at night. On the flip side, using electronic devices like your phone or laptop before bed exposes you to blue light, which can interfere with your body's natural melatonin production and make it harder to fall asleep. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed, or use blue light filters if you have to use them. Even better, make it a habit to read a book or listen to calming music instead of scrolling through social media. We've all been there, lying in bed with our minds racing, thinking about everything we need to do or stressing about things we can't control. It's no surprise that stress and anxiety can wreak havoc on our sleep. If you find yourself struggling with racing thoughts or worries at bedtime, try incorporating relaxation techniques into your pre-sleep routine. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, and journaling can all help to calm your mind and quiet those anxious thoughts. The goal is to create a sense of mental stillness before you climb into bed. Remember, your bedroom should be a stress-free zone. So there you have it, 7 simple yet powerful steps to fix your sleep schedule and wake up feeling like a whole new you. Remember, improving your sleep quality isn't about making drastic changes overnight. Fixing your sleep schedule takes consistency, but even small changes can lead to big improvements in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your routine and gradually add more as you go. Prioritize your rest, listen to your body, and you'll feel stronger, sharper, and healthier every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a better night's sleep, and subscribe to Chronicles for more fitness and wellness tips.